Hey there, I'm Apple Kreider with Investing Simple. In this video, providing you with a full in-depth tutorial on how the Gemini investing app works. We're going to dive into my phone, show you exactly step-by-step how you can buy, sell, earn interest, etc. on cryptocurrencies within Gemini. But first off, what actually is Gemini? Well, Gemini is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. There are over 20 different cryptos offered on the platform. It's a very simple and streamlined way for you to get started investing in cryptocurrencies without all of the kind of complications that a lot of these kind of smaller and a little bit sketchier exchanges tend to have. Now, in addition to being able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Gemini, you're also able to hold them in the Gemini cryptocurrency wallet. This basically allows you to store your cryptocurrency online and quickly move it from place to place. In general, though, this isn't actually the safest way to store your cryptocurrency because if you store it in an online exchange like Gemini, there's always the possibility that Gemini does get hacked and some of your crypto is actually lost. So instead, serious crypto investors tend to store their cryptocurrency on what is called a hardware wallet. And I'll put one of those on the screen right now so you can kind of see what that looks like. It's a small device, generally looks something like a USB stick, and we'll have a link down in the description below with our top pick for the best, safest, and most affordable hardware wallet that you can use to store your cryptocurrency. A little bit later when we dive into the Gemini app, I'll actually show you how to transfer from Gemini to a hardware wallet if you do want to pick one of those up. Now, in addition to buying and storing your cryptocurrency with Gemini, they also offer an interest account where you can earn interest on the crypto that you hold. Okay, so this is kind of a better alternative than just keeping it in your Gemini wallet. You could put it in the Gemini Earn account and earn some interest on your cryptocurrency, because what Gemini is doing is they're turning around and lending out that cryptocurrency to institutional investors that are willing to pay an interest rate for that, and then you're able to capitalize on the difference there. Currently, those interest rates go all the way up to 7.4%, which is quite a bit higher than you're going to get at your local savings account. So this can be a very attractive way for you to earn some interest on your crypto. Lastly, Gemini also offers this pay feature that allows you to actually pay for goods and services out in the world with cryptocurrency straight out of your Gemini wallet. So this is actually a really cool feature. I'm going to dive into that once we hop into my phone and show you how that works, but that's a very unique thing that Gemini does offer that most other crypto platforms do not offer at all. So now, how does Gemini actually work? Well, first thing you gotta do is sign up for Gemini. We have a link down in the description below that'll get you $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you do sign up. It'll also help out the channel, so that is very much appreciated. And then now that you're all signed up, we're gonna dive into my phone and show you exactly how Gemini works. All right, so here we are in my Gemini account, and the first thing you're going to want to do is deposit some cash into your account so that you can start buying and selling different cryptocurrencies on the platform. How you're going to do that is press the little person icon in the top right hand corner here. You're going to press deposit into Gemini. You're going to press USD. You're going to say probably you're going to want to do a bank transfer, but if you're going to deposit like tens of thousands of dollars, then you might have to do a wire transfer as well. It takes a little bit longer, but with a bank transfer, it's available instantly for trading. You're going to say how much money you want to deposit. So we'll say $100. You'll select your payment method. So you can link a bank account securely using Plaid here. I've already got one linked up here. We'll press review, and then you'll just swipe to confirm that initial transaction and get that money instantly available within your account. Now, once that money's in your account, you can actually start buying cryptocurrency on the Gemini platform. So let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin just for example's sake here. So you'll click into Bitcoin, you'll press buy. You'll say once you want to make a one-time purchase, and you'll say how much Bitcoin you want to buy. We'll say we want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. We'll press continue. We'll say we want to use our USD balance. So that's where the money that you just transferred in is going to show up in your USD balance. And then you just swipe to confirm that transaction and get that cryptocurrency into your account. Now from here, you have a decision to make, okay? Because you can either keep your crypto in your Gemini wallet, like I mentioned, you can put it in an interest account to earn some interest, or you can transfer it out to a hardware wallet. So let's start off with the hardware wallet option. How do you transfer out your cryptocurrency to a hardware wallet to keep it safe? Well, you'll go to portfolio, you'll select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. So we'll scroll down here and see we've got some Bitcoin. So we can transfer this Bitcoin out. We'll press withdraw. We'll approve that. And then we'll put in how much Bitcoin we actually want to transfer out to this wallet. So for example, say here, let's say we want to transfer out 1/100th of a Bitcoin worth about $537. We'll press continue here. We'll say what the destination address is. So this is very important, okay? Because if you mess up this address at all, your cryptocurrency is going to be lost forever and there's no way to recover it. So you want to make sure to just copy and paste that address directly from your hardware wallet, or use this QR code scanner here to scan the QR code of your wallet and deposit it that way. But you don't want to type this out manually by hand, because if you make one little mistake, it is not going to work and you're going to lose all of your cryptocurrency. And again, if you want our top pick for our hardware wallet, check out that link in the description below to get started. Now, if you don't want to transfer out to a hardware wallet, the next option is to deposit it into the Gemini interest account. So how you do that is you scroll back down here and we will say transfer trading balance. We'll say how much Bitcoin we actually want to transfer out to the interest account. So let's say we want to transfer, again, that same 1/100th of a Bitcoin, about $500. We'll press continue here. and then it'll just swipe to confirm this transaction. As you can see, we would earn about 2.05% on our crypto, which is quite a bit higher than you're going to be getting at a savings account these days. Now, once you've confirmed that, you'll be able to see your earn balance down by scrolling even further down. You can see we've got about $268 in our earn account, earning that 2.05% interest. Now, if you decide to do neither of those and just hold your cryptocurrency in your Gemini account, the real advantage to that is you can use this pay feature over here to actually pay with cryptocurrency at different stores. So let's go ahead and walk through that right now. To sign up for this, you're going to press continue. It's going to give you some additional information about how this exactly works. And now we can select our default payment methods. As you can see, I've got about $1,700 worth of cash in my Gemini account. We can scroll through and find our Bitcoin balance as well right here at about $600. And so let's just select our Bitcoin balance for now. Up top, you can see I can spend $250 worth of Bitcoin per week, given my current spending limit. And if we scroll down here, we can see all the different merchants that are available to use this on. As you can see, it's a lot of big name merchants. So people like Baskin-Robbins, Bed Bath & Beyond, Famous Footwear, Lowe's. So like big name stores that you can use your cryptocurrency to actually shop at through this Gemini Pay feature. And they're constantly adding more merchants. Currently, they're at about 30,000 different stores, but they're adding more every single month. So to recap, you can buy dozens of different cryptocurrencies on the Gemini platform. You can then either deposit them to earn interest, or you can send them off to a hardware wallet if you want to keep them safe and not earn any interest. And then from there, you can also use the pay feature to pay with cryptocurrency at different stores. So for this, you just tap into Baskin-Robbins here, and then you can use this pay feature to actually transact with cryptocurrency at different merchants across the United States. So overall, Gemini is a very simple and streamlined app that makes it really easy for beginners to get started investing in cryptocurrencies. It's totally free to download and start using, and if you use that link down in the description below, you'll get $10 worth of free Bitcoin just for signing up. Now, if you do want to learn more about how Gemini works, we have a full comprehensive review of the platform on our website, investingsimple.com. The best way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for how does Gemini work, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.